fire truck with a phobia. Are you hungry yet?
An all-new Milky Way special. We call it the Flame Tower.
The flame tower?
Shall we begin?
Mm-hmm. Surprise!
Wow, this is amazing!
You see, everyone loves a little bit of a performance.
You truly are the best, Dad.
Oh? Is there a fire somewhere?
It's getting closer and closer.
Fire! Please evacuate! Fire extinguished!
This wasn't a nice surprise at all!
No, Anna, it's not.
Save it!
No, Anna, wait! Anna, please don't go!
June. That fire truck was a Metal Cardbot.
That's not important right now. I'm kind of busy here.
June, what's going on? What's the matter? Seems like similar cases have been popping up everywhere these days. People were having a barbecue in their yard when they were sprayed with extinguisher fluid. The flame in a torch relay was put out. Candles on a birthday cake were put out by fire truck. What happened?
Hey, what is going on in the city?
It must have been the same fire truck, right?
Probably.
I will find him and make him apologize to Anna properly on his knees.
You can find it, but you mustn't reveal the Metal Carbots.
I know, but how do I set things straight with Anna then?
Phoenix Fire.
Do you know something, Mega Ambler?
Yes, we used to work together. He used to be the bravest firefighter. No fire too big for him to handle. He received the Metal Medal, an honor that goes to the best rescuer on Machina Planet.
Hey, why is this heroic cardbot playing these pranks now?
It doesn't seem to be a prank. It seems to be genuinely afraid of fire. Afraid of fire? A rescuer with a metal medal? I'm not sure why. I haven't met him and given him a proper counseling session.
That coward fire truck. What do you think it's up to now?
June, that's a smoke bomb. Don't touch it, it's not safe.
Oh, I see.
Confirm Metal Cardbot ID on the planet directly ahead. Initiating landing. Error in the controls! Oh no! Oh no, the controls aren't working! I dreamed about it again. Fire is just too dangerous.
There must be oxygen for something to catch fire. For example, when you place a lit candle inside a jar, the flame...
Really? Set a trap?
Well, since Phoenix Fire is afraid of fire, let's just make a fire to lure it.
Yeah, but a fire will bring real fire trucks as well.
Right, that's a problem.
Hey, you two! I'm over here. Focus.
We're so sorry.
So, shall we begin the experiment? Huh?
Is it a fire truck again? Oh no!
Where is the fire?
Oh my god!
You're the only one that could help me with this.
Sure, I'll do it.
I'm wondering if there's been a mistake. There is no fire in the school.
Fire alarm! This is a fire alarm! All students, please evacuate the building!
No!
There has been a fire! All students, please, you have to evacuate the building! Huh?
Really? Let's get out right now!
Stay calm, everyone! Please don't run! Hey, guys! Don't panic! Stay calm! Stay calm! June, where are you going?
I'll go check if there are others who have been evacuated. Anna, please take care of our classmates.
All right, be careful!
Is that the fire? It's a fire! Evacuate!
I'm so sorry, but this is not a real fire.
What? You tricked me!
Metal breath, pick up! Look up! Set up!
Stop it, Phoenix Fire.
What's wrong with putting out fires?
Fire is proof of civilization to the people of this planet. You shouldn't put out just any fire.
That's not my problem! You don't know how scary fire can be! All fires must be put out!
Look up! First shot!
Got it. First shot!
Huh? Fire?
What's...
That's Phoenix Fire, Metal. Another fire! Everything will go up in flames if I don't stop it!
So I guess this is how he got the phobia of fire.
Looks like it's time for the doctor to step forward.
Mega Ambler, set up!
It's too early to take a break. Pull yourself up and get back to it.
That actually worked. Thanks, Mega Ambler.
So you're a real doctor?
Now Blue Cup will be able to fix Phoenix Fire.
Wake up, Phoenix Fire. You're a brave rescue robot.
What do you know?
Look up! Watch out! Let's end it now! Mega Bolt Punch!
Mega Bolt
Now! Metal Cardbot! Change shop! Phoenix Fire, seal!
Phew.
I changed your temperature sensor because that was burned. It might take you some time to get used to the new sensor since it was made here on Earth.
Well done, Phoenix Fire.
I'm sorry for causing trouble. Let's be a good team from now on.
The hero has returned.
Glad to have you back.
Hello? So you were here.
Anna, what brings you here?
I thought I'd thank you for what you did. Here, it's a piping hot apple pie.
Oh, did you made it yourself, huh?
Eat it while it's hot. I think it should still be.
Hot pie. I have to put it out.
Calm down. There's no fire.
This is amazing. Why don't we go eat it somewhere else? Hey, Ito, can you bring us some drinks?
Get them yourself!